Welcome to Cosmostat Power Equipments, your trusted partner in high-quality power solutions. For over 30 years, we have been delivering excellence in power equipment manufacturing, trading, and export. As a leading manufacturer and exporter, we combine innovation with reliability to meet your industrial power needs. Discover our wide range of products designed to power industries safely and efficiently. Our power transformers ensure seamless energy transmission for large-scale industrial applications. Reliable distribution transformers guarantee consistent power supply to communities and industries alike. Compact, efficient, and safe, our substations are built for modern urban and industrial setups. Maintain stable voltage and protect your equipment with our advanced servo stabilizers. Precision voltage control is easy with our high-quality Variac and capacitor voltage transformers. High-performance servo motors designed for industrial automation and efficiency. Ensure electrical safety and efficiency with our reliable isolation transformers. Flexible step-up and step-down transformers to meet diverse voltage requirements. Robust furnace transformers engineered for heavy-duty industrial operations. Our RMUs provide uninterrupted power distribution for critical networks. Advanced VCBs ensure protection and reliability in all conditions. Custom control panels designed for seamless operation and monitoring. With 3 decades of expertise, we are trusted by industries worldwide. Get in touch with us today. Visit www.cosmostat.in. Call +919818596585 or email us at cosmostat@gmail.com. Subscribe now to stay updated with the latest in power solutions and innovations from Cosmostat Power Equipments. Cosmostat Power Equipments, powering progress for over 30 years.